Meet Jane. Jane loved her job. As a business development manager, she often had to catch up with her clients, and she used her Samsung every moment of every day and loved her phone. Jane receives an email stating her company have ceased their contract with Samsung and are going to replace all current phones with Apple iPhones. Jane asked her friend Amy if she got the email from head office. Amy told Jane she did, and was really looking forward to getting an iPhone. Jane thought, oh well, I used to have an old iPhone, let's see how I send a message. Jane remembered to tap the message icon. Jane found that texting using her Android phone was very similar to her iPhone. Follow this process. Jane wanted to create a new message, so she tapped on the pencil icon. However, if you want to reply to a message, tap on the received message. Jane searched her contacts,